Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Zhiyun Crane Lab 3. I purchased this gimbal to use in wedding photography, and I'll probably use it on this channel as well. But let's get to it. So the Crane Lab 3 is a pretty new gimbal from Zhiyun, and I'm really excited to see what it has to offer. Let's just get this cardboard away and some more tape, and let's see here what's inside. Great. So here it is, a nice box for the gimbal, and of course there's more tape. I'll just get my knife. Here we go, and there's a bit of tape here and a bit of tape here and here. Let's see if that's enough. Yes, and no, next. And let's see, we have this suitcase inside. I hope I didn't get off camera there. And that's the back side, and here's the front. So here you have this nice case with the name imprint on the front. It seems okay sturdy, and it's a nice place to have the crane inside when you're moving around with it. So if we are just opening the case, and we can see here we have a manual, we have a box with some cords and utilities, we have the crane itself packed in, and let's see here, we have the batteries, and we have charger, and the tripod, and lastly we have the quick release plate. I'll just take this box down, leave the crane here, and let's screw the tripod on. It goes on quite easily, and we have it here. It feels rugged and as a sturdy product. When you fold down the handle, the tripod as a handle, you have some nice rubber here on the side of it. It feels nice in the hand, rubber, the leather or something like that. And you of course have the focus tracking wheel here. Sadly I don't have. We have a quick release plate. It's made all out of metal. You have rulers on the side, if you can see this. You have rulers here and you have rulers here for accurate adjustment of add-ons and stuff like that. When you use the focus system, you'll have to use this to mount the focus system on, and so forth. But for now, I'll just wrap this unboxing up, and I'll play around with balancing and so on. And later on, I'll show you what I'm able to do with a gimbal of this size. I'm looking forward to do some more videos for this channel. If you have any suggestions for a future video, leave them in the comments below, and else I'll see you soon. Bye.